Welcome to online classes for class 12 computer science. Our today's topic is functions in Python. You know that function performs a specific task. Function contains statements which executes when you call a function. Let's see how to create a function in Python. Def my function print welcome to new topic. So you can see on the screen that I define a new function. The name of the function is my function and it contains only one statement, print welcome to new topic. Now the statements written inside the function will execute only when you call this function. First see what is the output of this program. You can see on the screen that there is no output on the screen because the statement written inside the function executes only when you call this function. Now how to call this function? You simply write the name of the function in your main program like this. Now run again. This time you see the output welcome to new topic is displayed on the screen because you call this function, and when you call this function the statements instructions written inside the function executes. That's why you see the output on the screen. Let's try one more example. Write a function to print square of a number. So I'm defining a function def calculate square, and here I'm declaring a variable x is equal to integer input, enter any number. Then you can display print square of x is x into x. Now I am calling this function in my program calculate square. So see, now this time there are two statements in a function. Function is a block of code and you can write as number of statements inside a function. So when you call this function, all the statements written inside this function will execute. Now see the output. Enter any number 5. So square of 5 is 25. This is the output. So this is the brief introduction about function in Python. In the next class, I will explain about parameters in function, return values from a function, and some more topics.